Today, we will look at some of the excellent elastomeric properties of Dr. Fixit Raincoat range coatings. The greater the elongation, the better the elasticity of the material. The leading paint company's coating is applied on the strip. The coating shows early breakage as the base coat is more elastic than the top coat, resulting in more rigidity and lesser elongation. Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating is a highly elastomeric coating with an elongation of more than 100%, thus accommodating thermal movements in the structure. Raincoat Classic system is highly elastomeric and blended with specialized polymers which has crack bridging ability up to 2 mm. Dr. Fixit Raincoat Select system has high elasticity which can easily withstand stress and cracks caused by thermal expansion and contraction. Pull-off test will measure the adhesion between the coating and the substrate using an electrometer. Dr. Fixit waterproof coating is applied on the panel with the bonding adhesive and allowed to cure for 24 hours. The pressure source is activated and pressure is slowly increased to the actuator within the system. The actuator dolly assembly lifts the coating from the substrate, which results in separation. Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating has excellent adhesion to concrete and masonry walls. Results indicate that Dr. Fixit waterproof coating has a stronger adhesion to the substrate as compared to the leading paint company. This test shows the water resistance of the film. Good exterior paints have a lower water absorption rate, which is required for better waterproofing properties. On the left, we have Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating applied on film A. On the right, we have the leading paint company's waterproof coating applied on film B. First, we will place the cured film of Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating in the water. Now, we will place the cured film of the leading paint company in the water. Both the paint films are immersed in water for 24 hours. Their weight difference is calculated as a result and shows that Dr. Fixit waterproof coating absorbs less water than the others. We will now see some demonstrations of Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating on a few products. Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating is applied over the plastic bottle to demonstrate the flexibility, adhesion and elasticity properties of the coating. The plastic bottle is then crushed. No cracks or wrinkles are observed on the Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating and it recovers to its original shape. The coating is designed to stretch and bridge small cracks in masonry surfaces, thus providing high adhesion and durability to protect the exterior walls from temperature changes. Dr. Fixit Raincoat waterproof coating is applied over the non-woven cloth on one side. In comparison to traditional paint, Raincoat waterproof coating is 3 times thicker and flexible, thus acting as a waterproof barrier to any exterior surface. In this test, the cured film of Raincoat waterproof coating will be used to demonstrate the elongation of the coating. The cured film is stretched to demonstrate the elongation of the Raincoat waterproof coating. You can see from the results that the coating stretches when tension is applied and recovers to its original shape when tension is released, just like a rubber band depicting high elasticity of the coating. Dr. Fixit Raincoat Select system has been applied to one side of the cement sheet panel. The purpose of this test is to demonstrate the crack bridging properties of Dr. Fixit Raincoat Select system. Opacity is an indicator of how much paint is needed to conceal the specific area. On the left, we have Dr. Fixit Raincoat Top Coat, and on the right, we have the leading paint company's top coat. We are going to pour the top coat on the drawdown paper. Using a drawdown bar, we will spread the top coat. As you can notice, the paint has started flowing and spreading. We will now pour Dr. Fixit Raincoat Select Top Coat over the drawdown paper. As you can see, it is sticking like glue. It's evident from the test that due to its inferior hiding power, you probably need a minimum 2 to 3 coats of normal paint for each coat of Dr. Fixit Raincoat Top Coat. Dirt pickup resistance is typically defined as the ability of a coating to resist dirt. On the left half of the panel, we have Dr. Fixit Raincoat Top Coat applied. On the right half of the panel, we have the leading paint company's top coat applied. We will cut a piece of the panel so that both the Dr. Fixit raincoat top coat panel and the leading paint company's panel are there. We will place the panel into a jar consisting of dry dirt particulate. We will shake it multiple times to ensure the panel is well coated with the dirt. A high level of dirt particulates can accelerate the darkening of the film. The piece of the panel is taken out of the jar and the dry dirt particulate is removed by washing, tapping or wiping off the panel. It is then evaluated for color change. The results clearly show that the Dr. Fixit Raincoat Classic and Select Top Coat panel accumulates less dirt than the leading paint company panel. In the sheen test, with the gloss meter, we will be measuring the gloss of the coating with the highest accuracy essential for sheen testing of the coat. On the left, we have Dr. Fixit Raincoat Top Coat applied on the panel. And on the right, we have the leading paint company's top coat applied on the panel. We will be using a gloss meter. Coatings with a glossier finish are easier to clean and more stain resistant. We will place the gloss meter on the leading paint company's top coat sample. It has a reading of 6.7 GU at a 60-degree angle. Now we will place the gloss meter on the Dr. Fixit Raincoat top coat panel. It has a reading of 14.7 GU at a 60-degree angle. You can see from the results that the Dr. Fixit Raincoat top coat panel has a higher sheen as compared to the leading paint company's top coat panel.